We are here at Wellstar Vinings to celebrate our first group of student interns that are coming to Wellstar. We started working on this partnership back when we opened, and Wellstar has welcomed us with open arms. So we have students doing different rotations. So, at CITA we have surgical tech, clinical lab, phlebotomy, EMR, EMT, and patient care pathways. So the students' hands-on experience will align to that they've learned in the classroom. It's important because you can go through all the classes and you can get the certifications, but until you're in that facility and you're doing the hands-on things, it's hard for students to understand what it is truly like. And we want them to leave CITA with a plan for their future, whether this is exactly where they're meant to be or they're going to look at other avenues, or Wellstar might expose them to something that they don't even know exists yet. But they will have learned the Wellstar way. They're going through the hand hygiene module with them to be checked off. They'll have their Wellstar ID. So hopefully they are very familiar with the Wellstar brand and they choose to stay right here in Cobb County.